Hello Techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about web automation or we can say UI automation introduction with MS Power Automate desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. One small request to you Techies, if you are new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe the Flying Automation YouTube channel. So let's get started. So let's see our topic, those we will cover in this video. So our first topic is what is UI automation in Power Automate desktop, and another one, what can UI automation do in Power Automate desktop, and type of UI automation in Power Automate desktop, what is web automation in MS Power Automate desktop, what is desktop automation in MS Power Automate desktop, and UI automation actions are in MS Power Automate desktop. So let's discuss one by one. So our first topic is what is UI automation. Here you can see UI automation or you can say web automation, both are same. So Microsoft UI automation is a framework that enables you to access, identify and manipulate UI elements of any application by providing programmatic access to these user interfaces. So let's move to our next topic, and our next topic is what can UI automation do. With the help of UI automation, we can automate web application, also we can automate desktop application. With the help of UI automation, we can do form filling, and also you can extract data from web and desktop application. So let's move to our next topic, and our next topic is type of UI automation. So there are two types of UI automation. First one is web automation and second one is desktop automation. So let's see one by one what is web automation. Here you can see web automation is a way to automate common web actions like filling out forms, clicking on buttons, downloading files, and hands them over to helpful software bots. So our next topic is what is desktop automation. Here desktop UI Flow supports a variety of applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, as well as third-party or custom application. So our next topic is similar to web automation actions, we have actions in UI automation. Here you can see under the UI automation, you can see data extraction, Windows, form filling. Under data extraction also you can see some actions are available. Under Windows also you can see some actions are available. Under form filling also you can see some actions are available. These all action we will see in our upcoming video, so don't worry about it. So I hope you understood about what is UI automation, or in upcoming video we will see what is UI elements in MS Power Automate desktop. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.